I am Shamil Khan and you are watching In Search of Islam. There are 5 pillars of Islam. In this video, we discuss importance of the 5 pillars of Islam. I set the stage for the video's exploration of each pillar. Number 1. Shahada, Declaration of Faith. The belief that there is no God but God and Muhammad is the messenger of God is central to Islam. This phrase, written in Arabic, is often prominently featured in architecture and a range of objects, including the Quran, Islam's holy book of divine revelation. Number 2. Salah, prayer. The Salah is a special form of worship that is the second most important pillar of Islam after the Shahada, testimony of faith. It is an obligatory form of prayer performed 5 times a day that was revealed in the Holy Quran and taught to us by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Number 3. Sawm, fasting during Ramadan. Sawm, Arabic, fasting. In Islam, any religious fast, but especially the fast of the month of Ramadan, during which Muslims abstain from food or drink each day from sunrise, Fajr, until sunset Maghrib. The purpose of the fast is to practice self-restraint, piety, and generosity. Reduces hypertension. Increases brain function. Improves body composition. Fasting reduces cancer risk. Stimulates autophagy. Lowers inflammation. Regulates sleep patterns. Normalizes ghrelin level. Number 4. Zakat, charity. Zakat is an Islamic financial term. As one of the pillars of the faith, it requires all Muslims to donate a portion of their wealth to charity. Muslims must meet a certain threshold before they can qualify for zakat. The amount is 2.5 or 1/40 of an individual's total savings and wealth. Number 5. Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca. Sacred pilgrimage. Hajj is a sacred pilgrimage that is required of every Muslim at least once in their lifetime. It is one of the 5th pillars of Islam. Each year, millions of Muslims from across the world travel to and perform Hajj in Mecca, modern-day Saudi Arabia. By presenting the 5 pillars of Islam in a comprehensive and accessible manner, this video aims to foster understanding and appreciation of Islamic beliefs and practices, contributing to greater religious literacy and promoting respect for diverse faith traditions. Embrace the 5 pillars of Islam and embark on a spiritual journey that will transform your life. Allah Hafiz, inshallah. We will meet in next video.